techniques. But I train you in step by step. But now I'll show you the
You show me
technique.
the technique and then you teach me later, right? That's okay.
Okay, like this. Sample. Sample. This is Rapilon Sinawali. Sinawal. As Sinawali is advanced here. Sinawali is like a native. It's a native product like no banig. English banig.
It's like a nipa. Nipa ha. No, banig. No, no. Not. It's the. It's a plant.
It's native to the.
It's the plant that makes a mat like a banig.
Mat.
Yeah.
Mat. It's a native mat. We use the skin of the mat, then
They weave it.
wave it. It's like a sinawali. Okay? Sinawali.
Sinawali.
We use cleaning like sinawali, like this.
Wow.
Like a balangkas, like this. This is a balangkas. Balangkas is a saksulo. Balangkas is
Triangle, no?
is a Filipino terms like balangkas in Tagalog. In English is a framework or diagram. This is kalulu. Kalulu is a points. Like this in a wallet. Like this. Down step. Down step.
Nice. I like it.
You're like a training. Siya rin ma'am, hindi ko ka kakuha din mag-English.
Nosebleed. Na.
Hindi ko ka.
Okay lang.
So,
Kaintindi na sa.
the hidden techniques of Kali Arnes is learn a Filipino folk dance. The Filipino folk dance is the hidden techniques of Kali.
Kata.
Kata.
No, it's not kata.
It's kata in Japanese. In the Korean.
The
It has hidden kata, has hidden techniques.
The Filipino folk dance is like pandango sa ilaw, like the candle or like candle dance or manlalapit.
Those are native dance of Filipino, Bobo.
No, I understand.
Like karatong, isa pang Pangasinan art of dance. Tinikling, singkil. Singkil is a Muslim traditional dance and culture. And kandingan. Mostly in Spanish time, Filipino do not allow in Spanish, not allowed to practice in Kali. It's considered like a bandits or rebel.
Right. Same thing happened in Okinawa when the Japanese came. They took away all their weapons, so they had to go into using farming tools and using them as weapons.
Okay.
And then that's how karate kobudo, which means fighting kobudo with weapons. So I learned the sai. The sai, you know what a sai is? It's like a piece of metal. That's like that. And they use it to crack rice in Okinawa.
Inang asanggot.
Sanggot.
Oo.
Sanggot. The sanggot is a Filipino. When the short sanggot is a karambit.
They have that too, no? May ara ka mo?
And then, with not allowed in Spanish is occupied the Filipino. Not allowed. Kasi practice Kali is considered is a
Illegal.
bandits or
Illegal.
illegal. But need preserved. But need preserved is
They put it into the dance.
hidden like a dance. Like a dance. The foreigners is ignorance, but it's a dance, it's a good dance, but
You're not dancing, you're
you're
practicing.
not dancing in practice. Like pandango sa ilaw. Pandango sa ilaw like this. Like this. It's like a dance. Now, manglalapit dance is like a bra. Or
It's made of coconut.
It's made of coconut.
Coconut
Like
head.
dance, like dance.
It make noises though when you. It's nice.
To train your hands.
Simple is like a fun, like a dance. Then dance, then step, dance, or simple. Then dance. This is sinawali. This is the dance of death. All this sayaw ng kamatayan, like this. What?
Death dance.
It is working the
The triangle. Cool.
Okay. In the culture in Japan, Japan is like this. The Filipino is like this. Filipino is like this.
It's here, right?
Okay. The Filipino is like this. Just bow your head. It's like a triangle. Because the triangle is the meaning the Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Like the triangle is okay.
The three major region of the Philippines.
Three major regions. Then bow your heads. It's time to speak. This is kind of love, and respect or love the Lord Jesus. Then, like this, is a triangle. It's sign to wisdom and knowledge.
Oh.
It's like knowledge. It's a triangle.
You put in your head when you get down.
Okay? But, you're here in the public, do not like this, do not like this, or, my friend, like this. Or, we call it like shaking, like sign of respect.
You don't do it in public, right? You don't do it in public.
People,
You do it in public.
In public.